Today, let's learn about WH questions. WH questions help us ask for information in English. What? We use what to ask for information.
What is your name?
George.
What do you like to eat?
Porridge.
Where? We use where to ask about a place. Where do you go?
I go to school.
Where's my key and purse?
When? We use when to ask about time. When is your birthday?
Tomorrow.
When do you arrive?
Next Monday.
Who? We use who to ask about a person.
Who is your teacher?
You are my teacher.
Who is your best friend?
You are my best friend.
Why? We use why to ask for a reason.
Dad, why are you happy?
I have got a new job.
Why are you giving me a gift?
It's your birthday next week.
How? We use how to ask about a method or condition.
How do you go to school?
By bus. How are you feeling?
I feel very sad.
Which? We use which to ask for a choice.
Which food do you like the most?
Carrots.
Which book are you buying?
Story magic.
Great job. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.